Welcome back to Health Perspective. Today we challenge the notion that kidney disease is always irreversible. A groundbreaking 8-year study with over 400 patients suggests otherwise. Even individuals in advanced stages like stages 4 and 5 can improve with the right strategies. Join us as we explore 5 essential steps to take control of your kidney health. So without any further delay, let's begin. In step 1, we prioritize controlling oxalates in our diet for kidney health. While fruits and veggies are beneficial, some contain oxalates, potentially leading to kidney stones. To manage oxalate intake, include calcium-rich foods and boiled veggies to reduce oxalate levels. Additionally, fiber in fruits and veggies prevents oxalate absorption. Stay tuned for more kidney-saving tips in step 2. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. In step 2, we address uremic toxins. These toxins arise from protein breakdown, elevating levels of creatinine and urea. Soluble fiber like acacia fiber binds to these toxins in the gut, preventing their absorption. Research indicates acacia fiber could help individuals with severe kidney issues avoid dialysis for up to 8 years by reducing toxin buildup, offering significant benefits for kidney disease patients. In step 3, we emphasize increasing vitamin D intake, crucial for kidney health. Studies show 80% of those with kidney problems lack sufficient vitamin D, linked to kidney disease development. Vitamin D regulates blood pressure, supports bone health, and lowers creatinine levels. It prevents proteinuria indicated by excessive urine protein, a sign of kidney damage. The 25-hydroxy-vitamin D test assesses levels below 30 nanograms per milliliter, suggesting deficiency. Daily 2000 IU of vitamin D with vitamin K2 and magnesium is recommended. Specialized supplements may be prescribed for severe kidney issues. In step 4, we delve into the connection between kidney problems and diabetes, a prominent cause of kidney disease. Surprisingly, studies indicate potential reversal of type 2 diabetes even after 11 years. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, emerges as a natural remedy for diabetes management. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfiltered AVC diluted in water before meals can lower blood sugar levels and enhance insulin response. Moreover, ACV may facilitate weight loss, crucial as obesity is a significant risk factor for both diabetes and kidney disease. Integrating ACV into daily routines could mitigate various health conditions, including kidney disease. In step 5, we explore dietary adjustments to aid kidney disease recovery. Firstly, reducing sodium intake is vital to manage blood pressure and fluid retention. So, avoid high-sodium processed foods. Depending on kidney disease stage, consider reducing protein intake, particularly with existing kidney stones or chronic conditions. While potassium-rich foods are beneficial for healthy kidneys or early-stage disease, limit them in advanced stages. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which are high in fiber and energy without burdening kidneys. Additionally, limit alcohol consumption as it can impact kidney function and medication interactions. For individuals with diabetes, controlling blood sugar level is crucial for kidney health. Stay hydrated to support kidney waste removal. Seek personalized advice from healthcare professionals regarding protein intake and water consumption, especially if you're managing kidney issues. What's your top pick among these kidney cleansing foods, and how do you plan to include it in your diet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more helpful content and take control of your kidney health today.